random dates, or dates of whatever the intervention is, session, you can put session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4, whatever it is. This is for your ABAB design, okay? You go ahead, so you just create data points, it's your baseline, okay? So in baseline, this behavior is pretty high, it's happening maybe 5 times an hour, 6 times an hour, whatever it is that you're tracking. You're creating baseline, your baseline points here. We want this behavior to go down after your intervention. So go ahead and create 5 data points if you have it. And let's say that your baseline is high and you want this behavior to
Just put the
decrease.
numbers in.
Oh, just put the numbers?
So just put in the numbers. So I put 5, 6, 8, 6, 7.
Random numbers, right?
You can do random numbers.
Random high numbers.
Random high numbers.
Random
10,
numbers.
8, 4.
It depends. If you want your behavior to actually go up, then you would start with lower numbers and then go up.
Let's do
Okay?
her numbers.
You are going to label it, so think of what you're tracking. Let's say that here I'm tracking aggression. So I'm tracking aggression and I want the aggression to go down. So I have my baseline right here, right? So you have your points here. Then you go ahead and implement the intervention. So I started my intervention on that same session. It was later on in the session. Oh, I just done a lot. Okay, so now I implement intervention. My treatment's working. It has the behaviors going down. Now they're not occurring as much. They're maybe 3 times, 2 times, 3 times, 2 times, 2 times. I want to really see that it is my intervention that's causing this change. On the 11th, I go ahead and implement. I go back to baseline. I remove my treatment. And I notice that immediately it goes up a little higher. So now it goes to 4, 3, 5, 5. And it seems like it's going up. I don't want it to go back up. I go ahead and now do my treatment. I go back to my treatment and immediately it goes up. There's a there's a little spike that happens. And then it goes back down, 1, 1, 0. And you can keep going if you wanted to. Okay? Once you do that, you can highlight the whole series that you want. You highlight. You go to insert. Click on insert. You go to your little line graph. You press on it. You find the data, the one that has the data points. You click on that, you have your graph. Now you have to include all the 7 labels that we had in the graphs. Okay?
So we just explain it, then we write it ourselves when we do it.
So,
Or you gonna write it?
no, I'm gonna show you how to type everything in.
You would do insert text, ¿no? Insert text?
At least maybe about 5 days.
You would do insert text to add the
So
labels?
I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna walk you through it. First thing you do is remove these
My
lines.
games don't keep
How?
like that.
You click, you can do a
Wait, you went
left
to
click.
highlight?
So basically, I go to one line and I do my left click, left click, but you make on the line, and you just press delete or backspace. The lines are removed.
Ah.
Those following along, you're good?
I'm still at highlight when you highlight.
highlight.
Okay, no worries.
So when you
Okay,
highlight,
so here, right? So this is what you guys have.
no, when you highlighted the left.
Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna go back. So you go ahead and highlight. You go to insert. Max are a little different. If you need me to